President Emmerson Mnangagwa has unveiled a controversial 500,000 cash package for war veterans, raising eyebrows over the timing and motive behind the generous disbursement. The announcement was made on Friday at the City Sports Center in Harare, where Mnangagwa officiated at the launch of the War Veterans Empowerment Fund. Sanavana mashoko wanzi mutungamiri wenyika panguva inoi achipa war veterans $500 cash. Panguva ino zvaresa speculations. Panguva ino panokuva kunzi economy chaiyo iri kustruggle, but panguva inoi ichionekwa kunzi these guys vakafisana aiwa nema issues ekutransition for power. They are trying to support their political base. No subscribe or like on the bell The moves comes amid mounting political tensions and growing dissatisfaction within ZANU-PF's traditional support base. Analysts say the large cash handout is a blatant attempt to secure the loyalty of war veterans ahead of internal party dynamics and possible unrest. According to ZANU-PF youth supporters present at the launch, the cash payouts are meant to support war veterans in starting businesses and improving their livelihoods. These empowerment launches hazi kungoisirwa for fun, but taking care of those beneficiaries, one youth said. Recently, hairdressers for ED were given money to boost their hustles. Ladies all over the country benefited from the launch, and now they have upgraded their salons and so on. The move has also sparked concern among civil society groups who question the transparency and the sustainability of such handouts. With no clear guidelines on fund allocation, monitoring, or repayment, fears of corruption and misuse loom large. Ndomashwa kuda panguva ino vanhu vachinyaso kuona kuti aiwa mari idzi dzikambozikamwa dziri kubva kupi ende hapambotaurwi nhau dzekuti dzichazodzoserwa oro chii. Panapa vanhu vari kutoshamisika kuti aiwa zviri kuitwa nethe ruling party ZANU-PF nezvongotarira vachingoita zvavanoda vakomana. Vina kumene section yedu ndisiri mafungiro enyu mutundi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.